Hey pen pinchers, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone's having an amazing day. This is your Glamorous pen pincher Shalomi, and today I am super happy to be participating in the Fall Coffee Table Decor Challenge hosted by MyStyleMycolours. Now the challenge is to complete 2 coffee table decorating ideas, one of which must have books, must have something that represents fall, and it must have candles. The second one can be anything of your choice. So if you want to see what I've put together, just keep on watching. Now I'll be leaving the link to MyStyleMycolours channel down below in my description box. So please, as soon as you finish watching my video, head over there to see what she has created, as well as to check out the playlist of the other amazing creators participating in this awesome challenge. Okay guys, so here is my first coffee table styling as requested by MyStyleMycolours. So for this first one, I have my candle here. I also have the books as requested, which are the books I DIY'd a few weeks ago. And something for fall, I have this beautiful pumpkin right here, as well as this bling one that I DIY'd also a few weeks ago, maybe about a month ago or so. But yes, this is what my coffee table looks like for the first piece. As you can see, I have everything corralled in a tray. This beautiful silver tray that can also double as a wall mirror. It does have the attachments on the back to hang to the wall. I have this gorgeous vase with these beautiful faux flowers that I picked up a while back from HomeSense. You've seen me with these candles for a while, and this beautiful glam candlestick I also got from HomeSense a few weeks ago. Now my pumpkin is just being elevated by my coaster holder. There you go, I've just flipped it upside down and placed the pumpkin on it. And it has all the bling and all the glam. Again, like I stated, it's what I use to keep my coasters. And now for this side, as you can see, again, I've used the books that I DIY'd, and I've placed this beautiful pumpkin on it that I also got from HomeSense a while back. And here's a second look, guys. I added a little bit more of a gold bronze tone. So here you can see my golden tiara tray, and it's housing 2 acorns. I picked those acorns up from the Hobby Lobby. They were a different color, and I sprayed them gold with the gold metallic spray by Rust-Oleum. This gorgeous vase that I picked up at HomeSense a while back, and these beautiful pieces that I picked up from Pier 1. They were on sale. They're usually $10 a piece, but on the day that I went in, they had 25% off. I went in again with more books. This time I'm using 2 other books that I also DIY'd, placing my Give Thanks And here's another bonus look for you guys. I have brought back the books, and this time I have on top another pumpkin DIY that I recently did. Just wanted to see how everything would look together. A lot of times you just want to play around with your pieces until you get the desired look. And in this case, with so many options, so many different styling and decorating ideas, I just decided to put it beside it and see what that looks like. I would love for you to go ahead and leave me a comment in the comment section and let me know which of these looks you prefer, whether it's look 1, look 2, or one of the 2 bonuses. And this is all I have for you today, guys. Thank you so much for joining me. I would like to thank the channel MyStyleMycolours for hosting this beautiful collab. And after you watch this video, I'm going to leave a link in the description box below for you to head on over and check out her channel, as well as all the other wonderful creators that participated in this collab. If this is your first time seeing my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. I truly do appreciate your presence and would love for you to become a part of the Penny Pincher family by hitting the subscribe button below. And don't you forget to hit that notification bell. That way you're the first to know when I upload new videos. And to all my oldies but goodies, my lovely Penny Pinchers, love you, love you, love you. Until the next video, this is your glamorous Penny Pincher Shalom is saying bye-bye.